Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have something totally out of this world for you. This is my Spaceship Layered Paper Craft. How cool is that? I love that spaceship there in the center just blasting off. You can see all the smoke and fire down here, those different moons and planets on the side. Just really imaginative and really fun. This paper craft comes together really quickly, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can go ahead and click Sign Up. You'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can take a look at all the features for each membership and decide which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click Sign In. I'll enter my credentials and log into the website. And now I'm logged into my account. To access the file libraries, head to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this file is free. That means that those with free memberships, basic, and premium memberships can all download this file. Those with free memberships can go to the Free Files page and find it there. Those with basic and premium memberships can go to the File Library page and find the cut file there. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 456. That is the Spaceship Layered Paper Craft. Go ahead and click the download button and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this appropriately to fit within the cutting dimensions of a 12 by 12 cutting mat. So you can see that it's slightly smaller than 11.5 inches tall. If you're going to be using this project for a card or for a shadow box, you can go ahead and use the sizing options to reduce or enlarge the design. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the image at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all these different pieces together. I know it looks like a lot of craziness on my board here, but to go from back to front, you're going to start with the white, then pink, then burnt orange or brown, yellow, blue, orange, gray, and then the darker blue. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put everything together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there we have our fun spaceship layered paper craft. How fun was this paper craft? I love the different colors and the different textures. It's so cool. If you have a space enthusiast in your house or a grandchild that really loves space and adventure, this would be the perfect decor for their room. Or resize the design and put it on a card or in a shadow box, and it's a perfect gift as well. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!